So today we are going to do a YouTube video with all these guys. They are very chill. So what do you guys want to do today?
I don't know.
Do you guys want to do something fun in mountain?
Sure.
Okay, everyone follow.
Hope y'all know.
Everyone follow me.
All right. Oh god.
Oh my god, the camera's in the way.
I'm playing.
Oh my god.
Yippee.
Make sure everyone gets here. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, help.
Okay. Let's wait for Gorilla.
Let's wait for Gorilla.
Gorilla, up here?
Let's wait for 57.
Do you want to change your name?
This is a YouTube channel that
Become Flareon, I dare you.
Okay, everyone. Oh Lord. Everyone go to mountain.
Okay.
I'm running from them because they're all lava monkeys. Oh, fireworks.
Yeah, look, it has the mountain logo right there.
Oh no! Hey guys, give me a second. I dropped my controller.
Let's try and do target. Saw that.
Boo.
What the flip? What is... Okay, okay, so we got...
Yes. Here we go.
What you guys trying to do?
There's the other two.
Where are you guys?
Where is this guy at?
I'm on the slide.
Oh, there you
Oh,
are. Oh, there.
yoo-hoo! I'm gonna go really fast.
Yahoo!
Oh, shoot.
Where are you guys?
No! I accidentally went in the slide! I accidentally went in the slide. I went to the bottom path.
Where are you guys?
I accidentally went in the slide.
Where is it?
I'm going back up there right now.
Everybody go to the fireplace.
Alright.
They carry the worst. Are these kind of... No, these are...
That's a crystal.
Okay, let's do this.
This is actually the water stone I use for evolution.
What is it? Again?
Huh? What'd you say?
You're joining me?
What? Okay, 3, 2. Figured out you could. I figured out you could just. Figured out you could just. Hey, fun fact, Sierra. Hey, Sierra Christian. Fun fact. This is actually the. Hey, Christian. Fun fact. This is actually the water stone I used for my evolution.
I don't know. What does the dry mean again?
You guys want to do an infection game first?
Sure.
Okay. Everyone. Oh my god, I am too slow for this. Everyone follow me. And I will start as a tagger. Do not get tagged by me. Oh, whoosh. My headset's low. I completely forgot.
It's very hard for me to climb. I am not an ice type. I'm a water type. I was not suited for this place.
Oh, shoot.
I need help, please. Help me.
Are you
I
guys
was not
seriously?
suited for this. I'm a water type and I can get through here. I wasn't suited for this place, but I
How
still
far
got
can you
through.
throw a snowball?
Let's see. Yeah, maybe Blaze could do better at it.
Wait, can I show you how far I can throw my snowball? Yo, bro, can I show you how far I can... Wait, I messed up. Wait, bro, look at me, look at me.
Okay.
I can throw it really far. If I just get it straight, I can throw it extremely far.
No.
Did you see that? I almost got that out of the side map.
Hold on, watch me.
Okay, everyone, let's go fast, because my viewer's at 4%.
Guys, wait.
Oh no.
I'm stuck. Help.
Okay.
I'll meet you guys there.
Meet you guys where?
At Forest.
I need help. I accidentally went down the slide.
I did too. Honest mistake.
The steppy thing. Now I can't get out. Now I'm stuck here, slippery.
Doug.
Touching.
Doug.
Wait, I'm good. No, I didn't push myself. No.
I got
I'm stuck here forever. Please, guys, wait for me. I don't know how to go to forest. Guys?
I summon thee. Doug.
Where did we go?
Where are the others? I summon thee, Doug. Bro. I'm a Vaporeon and that's even I'm a Vaporeon and that's wild even for me.
We're going to forest?
Tasty. I know how to trap Doug. Let me do it real quick. Oh,
You
nope.
freaking violated.
No.
Need me to retrieve Doug?
I know how to trap Doug.
Doug, no! Oh wait, camera. Hey guys, do you know that in terms of it?
How do we go to forest?
What?
Ow.
I need help. How do we... Where's it?
Bye, guys. My VR is about to die.
Okay. How do you...
Guys?